Welcome to JV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel. Enable notification for more interesting videos. Alright, we are continuing on Selenium interview series. Today, I came up with one more interview question that is mostly asked in the interviews. That is expected conditions. What are the different expected conditions available? Right, different methods is available in expected conditions. Right. This is also a little bit. This is also important. Most of the time, we will get it. Okay, we'll see that. Okay. Okay, WebDriver. First, we need to create a driver instance. Let me create it. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, and then just open any browser. Right. We are working with our famous website, Orange HRM. Right. Then we have seen what is the drawbacks of implicit wait, how to rectify those things using explicit wait. Previous questions I have explained those in practical. You can go through it. Now we will see. Okay, driver dot find element by dot username. Okay, just what it will return web element. Right, web element it will return element equal to what is the issue? Cannot convert void to web element because already we have sent send keys, right? Then it will not return. If you want to just wait, what we can do here before doing any action on the element, we have to wait for the element, right? After that, right? Some people I have seen that what they will do driver dot find element web element. Element. Okay, they will find out like this and then wait for the element. They will do wait for element. See, this is wrong because you are trying to find the element here itself. It will find unable to find element. Will get issue and it will fail if it is not immediately loaded. Right. Before identifying the element itself, we have to wait for it. Before performing any action on the element, we have to wait for the element. Right. What is the explicit wait? WebDriver wait. Right, WebDriverWait wait equal to, we can use the driver. We have to pass the driver and then timeout. How many seconds we want to wait for the element. Then here we will have a wait until. Now here comes into the picture. What are the different methods available in the expected conditions? Right, expected conditions. We can also write. Right, separately also. Expected conditions is a class. Right, it's a class. Okay, it's a class. Then we can dot. These are all the different types of actions we can do on the expected conditions. Right, we'll see one by one most used ones. Alert is present. Right, when it is visible, when it is useful, that means when it is useful, alert is present. You have clicked on some button. Right, suppose we clicked on the button. Okay, this is the, we have element dot before element dot click. Suppose you clicked on the element, then suppose alert is came. Now alert is came. Right, before performing any action, before performing any action on the alert, then what we can do? Expected conditions, right? Expected conditions. Then first we need to wait for the right alert is present. Alert is present. Then you can switch to the alert. Right. Then how to switch to the alert driver dot switch to dot alert or accept. You want to accept or you want to send keys, you want to do dismiss something. First we will wait. Sometimes alert will take some time. Right. Sometimes it will immediately visible. So it's better always before performing any action on the alert, either accept or dismiss or send keys. Right. Just wait for the alert, then do the operation on the alert. Right. In real time, we will create a reusable method and then wait for the alert to do the action. Right. This is the one of the method in the expected conditions. Right. What else? Next one. Expected conditions dot and condition is to add multiple things. Right. That's fine. Attribute contains. Attribute contains. What is attribute contains? We have to pass the first things locator, then attribute. Suppose I want to verify color, maybe attribute means locator. See, locator attribute use it to define CSS or HTML attribute, use it an expected attribute. Suppose you are thinking some attribute, element attributes, you know, right? Suppose if you take, right, these are the attributes. Right. Sometimes we want to wait for some attribute to be available. Right. We can also wait for, suppose, placeholder. This is the attribute. Right. The attribute contains, this attribute contains, we can say, okay, I want to wait for this until attribute contains placeholder username. Right. Sometimes dynamically it will change. Right. Attribute will be changed dynamically. So we can wait for it. Right. If you have any scenario like that, we can. Right. What is the return type? It will return a Boolean. If it contains, it will return true, otherwise false. Right. That is the attribute contains. Then attribute overloaded methods. Sometimes we will, if you use the page object model, we will get a web element. But if you use by dot locator like this driver dot find element, we will get a by locator. Right. For each and every method here, we will have a by locator web element. Right. Overloaded method. This concept is called overloaded methods. Right. Sometimes they might ask, did you see any inbuilt overloaded methods in Selenium? Right. We can tell this. We can explain this. Right. In expected conditions, we have all our overloaded methods. Right. Attribute contains attribute to be. Attribute to be. That means exact match. Above one is the just contains, but this is exact match. It should have a exact name. It should have a exact name. Attribute to be. Right. Next one. Attribute to be. See, attribute to be not empty. Just we want to verify any attribute. The attribute should be contained. That's it. It should have only two parameters, element and placeholder. It should contain attribute. That's it. We are not verifying any value. Simply, it should not be empty. Okay, here what it is passing. Here it is taking element and then attribute. Okay. Okay, we have to pass the element. Attribute to be. We'll see overload. Is there any overloaded method? Only web element. It's there for only web element. So we have to pass the web element only. Right, in page object model we will have, but don't use right here it is asking for web element, but don't use like driver dot find element. Then in that case, before itself it will fail. Right, first we need to wait the condition, then only find the element. But to pass the web element, don't use this one. Right, don't try to do like this. This is the wrong thing. In page object model, we will use this. In page object model, we will use that. Not in this case. Right, might we come to another one. DOM attribute to be DOM property. These are all same thing. I have explained what is the difference between DOM attribute to DOM property in the previous question. Just go through it. These are also a DOM to verify the DOM attributes to be. Right. These two are also same thing. Like attributes are DOM attribute. These are all same, but it's just a little bit difference is there. Element selection state. Right. Element selection state. Whether it is a selected or not. Alright, you want to, if you are passing the true, suppose element selection, we have to pass the element. Just let me right, just to show that's it. Okay, element selection, what it is saying, an expected condition for checking if the given element is selected or not. It is useful for checkboxes, radio buttons, checkboxes and radio buttons. Right, after clicking, we can wait until element selection state to be, we can give the true, that means it should wait until the selected condition to be true or unchecked. Suppose you have unchecked, we will wait for false. Right, this is after clicking the element, just this one like this. We will find the element, then click on it, then element selection state to be. Sometimes what will happen after clicking, maybe it will take 1 or 2 seconds. Then we can use in that case element selection state to be selected, either true or false. That we can go. Element to be clickable. Element to be clickable. I think this one everyone aware of it. Element to be clickable. Element to be clickable. Expected condition element to be clickable. That means it will wait until the element to be clickable. First it will wait for the element and then it will be visible and enable. Element to be clickable means what? An expected condition for checking element is visible and enabled such that it can click on it. Right, this is one more condition. Then element to be selected. Right, we have seen already element selection to be, that is this is element to be selected. Okay, what it is asking, by locator or by web element, both we have. Element to be selected. Here we are passing after clicking, just we are waiting for that. But here element to be selected. That means we are waiting for the element to be selected. We are waiting for the, see internally what it is doing, element selection state to be true. That means element to be selected. True means what? Already selected. That means internally what it is doing, element state should be selected only. This one internally using element selection state only. Right? Then element to be clickable. Okay, this is frame to be available. See, sometimes frame to be available and switch to it. Frame to be available and switch. We know it. Invisibility of. Sometimes this condition is the loading symbols will come. Sometimes if you click anything on the application, loading symbols will come. So we have to wait until the invisibility of element. Invisibility of. That means until we have to wait, it is disappear of that element. That will be useful. Invisibility of element is very useful. Then number of elements to be. Sometimes you want to do the number of elements to be drop down or any drop down, mostly right, a drop down or check boxes, radio button. You want to wait for number of elements to be or number of elements to less than, but you are not sure how many are there, less than, more than. We can use this one also, elements to be less than, more than. We can give the locator and then we can give the number, how many numbers we want to wait for. Right, these are all dynamic elements. Whenever dynamic elements are populating, we will use those things. See, text to be, text matches. Right, we can give the locator and it text matches pattern also. We can give text to be exact value, text to be present in the web element. These are all the web elements. These are all the by locator. These are all the web elements. Title contains, right, when titles, we can wait to page titles, URL contains, URL match, URL to be exact. Then one more important, visibility, right, visibility of web element. Right, mostly we will use for this web element. In the page object model, we will use this visibility of. Visibility of, we can use either visibility of element located or by locator if you have visibility of element located. And then what else we have? Presence of. Right, presence of means what? An expected condition checking for an element in the present in the DOM. This does not necessarily mean the element is visible. Right, just a presence. That means either it is a hidden element also. Right, presence of element. Then a refresh, page refresh. We can wait until the refresh the page. Staleness. That means staleness means what? Wait until element no longer attached to the DOM. We will wait until the element not. Sometimes if you click on the any button, some other elements are refreshed. We can wait until staleness. Text matches. We can have a text matches, title contains, visibility. These are all visibility. Visibility of nested elements also we can write. Parent and child. Nested elements also. We can give nested elements also we can wait for. These are all the different methods available in the expected condition. We can use it based on our requirement. We can use those things. Right. I think I should give some idea about it. What are the different methods available in the expected condition? If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Right. For future ongoing videos, just enable notification so that immediately you will get notification. Thanks for watching.